Hi, it's Gareth from Udell Electrical Services. Expert Trades Tool Talk have asked me to do a review of a power tool. So since I was an apprentice, my first power tool was DeWalt. I got a DeWalt drill driver. So I'm kind of a DeWalt man. All my tools I've since brought have been sort of DeWalt. So a few years ago, about 6 months ago, a year ago, my drill driver eventually packed up. It was one of the original 18 volt ones. I looked at getting new batteries for it, but by the time you spent new batteries, it was actually cheaper and better to upgrade the kit. So I decided to upgrade the kit. I've looked around online and found this kit which had got a drill and an impact driver. I'd seen quite a few people going on about impact drivers, never had one, didn't see kind of the use of it. But since buying one and getting one, I think it's a brilliant bit of kit, really useful, and it is now sort of my go-to thing. Still got my drill driver, that's still got a bit of battery power left in it, but it rarely comes out because this kit that I'm just about to show you is the kit that I now get out and use. So this is the kit that I ended up buying. I really liked it because it came with three 5 amp hour new XR lithium ion batteries with a new charger, because my other kit is different batteries, and then it came with the two drill drivers. So it came with the drill, which is the DC D796, and then this is the impact driver, which I'm actually finding I'm using a hell of a lot now, which is the DCF887. So if I open the kit up, as usual, the DeWalt boxes are well made. It's the T-stack system. I don't actually have the T-stack system because just with my line of work, I don't see the actual need to have the wheel trolley and stack everything up. I do have a few of the boxes, but I just don't have the trolley. I've got a tool bag, a Vito tool bag that I generally use, but I like to keep the kit in this box. I've brought an additional set of screwdriver bits to go with the impact, so that sits in there nicely. You get the 3 batteries, 1, 2, 3 batteries there. The thing that I will say that I don't particularly like about this is for the impact driver. You can stick the impact driver straight back in the box with the battery attached, but for some reason, obviously it must be space wise, the drill, you need to take the battery off. It won't actually sit back in the case with the battery. There's like a separate space here for the battery, so that is a bit of a pain in the backside, because I do like to, some people sort of take the kit out and don't use the boxes, they just sort of keep the kit in the van or in a tool bag or something, but I like to keep my kits together. It's very great. I'll just focus on the impact driver. So again, it's a brushless motor, which is different than my original sort of DeWalt that I got, and it's got the new XR ion lithium ion batteries. This is the 5 amp hour ones. The battery life is great. I love the fact that it's got the battery indicator on it, which gives you the level. You've got the quick change chuck. I generally use this sort of for screwing bits of different size screws in. It's got the torque settings. You can take the torque off altogether, and then 2 different torque settings. What I also do like about this is that because it is hex shaped, you can fit in hex shaped drill bits, and I have used it and do use it for drilling holes in tight and awkward spaces, just because it's a smaller sort of thing that gives me, I do have some stubby little spade bits, which then means that I can get into tight spaces. So all in all, the DeWalt kit is the bit of kit for me, and I do like these new batteries, and I'm going to be building on the kit, because DeWalt seem to have dropped the old style batteries now. The 24 volts have got this new dual voltage, so these are 18 volt batteries, but they do a dual voltage battery, which is a bigger version, which will, you can put it onto any tools. You can put it onto the bigger tools that need the bigger power, or you can actually put it onto these smaller tools, and it does voltage regulate itself down, which is good. I don't actually have those batteries, but I'll be looking at extending my kit and going further with that one. So all in all, I like DeWalt, I like the look of them, and all my kit through the years has been DeWalt, and probably still will be. Everyone's got their own manufacturer that they like. DeWalt's just my choice.